Hello everyone, we will now demonstrating how to use the gas discharge visualization from Constantine. And by the way, these two samples are devices that's supposed to energize the water that we're going to be testing. The first one here, which use two bottles, and the second one here that is we're going to pour water through. So according to the manufacturer, we are to reverse the bottles and then give it a twist so that these energizers, vortexers, will work properly. So I'm going like this, and then I give it a twist like this, and here we go. It's going through. So this sample is ready. Okay, we'll put it aside for now. And we're going to compare it with this other sample, which is a different device, as you can see. And this one, we pour the water through it. And this is our sample. So we have our two samples. So next we're going to go into the testing phase. And so we have the perfect device here in the GDV, the gas discharge visualization, designed to test the energy content of water. So now we're going to... So we have our two samples, sample 1, sample 2 that we just prepared. We have also a control that we use to compare with the samples, and I need a trash. Here we have sample 1, and we have a syringe that fits into this setup here that is made specially for testing waters. What I'm going to do is prep the sample, fill the syringe, and then I empty it a couple of times just to clean it or make sure. Okay, so that's good enough. Now we have water bubbles. Tap it to get the bubbles up. So I'm taking water on the edge of the syringe as much as possible. For measurements by preparing a meniscus, just barely stand out. So now we're putting it here. And we need complete darkness. So now we are ready for a measurement. 54 seconds. That's 120 images. Okay, so now we're going to take a measurement. So now we've got the right folder and we're ready. Start capture. Here is the glow generated by the GDV around the drop of water. It's about 10,000 volts, high voltage. Okay, so now we finished one, so we're going to do a second one. Here it is, filmed. Change the water, so that's why I need the trash. So I'm trashing this, and I'm preparing another sample. Okay, so now we're preparing the third drop. Okay, so now we are preparing for drop number 4. Water drop. Okay, now we're going to prepare the 6th drop and last drop. The first measurement. Okay, and now what we do normally next stage is analyze the data. So we take all this data, which is in a number of files. As you can see, this measurement is actually a little movie. Special software that will analyze the data, measuring the intensity, measuring the area of the glow, measuring the shape of it, and all of this is computed with the proper statistics to measure differences between samples. And so then we prepare a report and we send that to the sponsor. That's the process. Thank you for your attention.